Check it out one time. I go by the name of DJ Basic, representing that little Green Apples crew.
Hi everybody, my name is Nabil from Free Minds Crew Arabic Flavor, representing the Bboy in France. So I'm here to represent the Break Advice project and show you some moves you can do at home and like change it, doing more variation and put your personality in it.
Hey, you, what's up? Today Bboy Nabil will show you a small footwork combination and some pits to run in barrels. Before the advice, consider learning this simple set. Although we can do the different way, we have to look for a go down to end in hook.
Boom.
Second step is complete with a CC to take our other leg to the sweep.
And CC. Okay. One more time. Boom, 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 CC. From the CC.
Moving around the stage is necessary. A nervous Bboy will always stay in the same place. You can look and DJ adjust the public, demonstrate attitude in barrel and master with footworks. In the cards I leave the link so you can see the class complete with Bboy Nabil. Follow the next step, okay? Thanks for watching this video, Bboy. See you tomorrow and subscribe.